Welcome back to Syncly. Today, we're diving into the Finance Tracker, your go-to tool for managing income, expenses, and visualizing your financial health with powerful charts. The Finance Tracker centralizes all your financial activities. Start by setting up your accounts, be it PayPal, Stripe, or any other wallet. Syncly helps you track every transaction in one place. Easily add transactions by inputting income or expenses, specifying the source, and describing their purpose. Whether for business or personal finances, Syncly keeps everything organized. Filter transactions by date, account, or category, and generate detailed reports. Syncly's visual tools give you insights into your financial health. Take advantage of Syncly's interactive charts to visualize income, expenses, and cash flow trends. These charts provide a clear picture of your financial performance, helping you make data-driven decisions. Thanks for watching. If Syncly's Finance Tracker helped you gain financial clarity, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Manage your money smarter with Syncly.